Task 1 about game number guessing game given by Encryptics. Here I am using interface to achieve abstraction, and I mentioned some methods here like start, play round, ask to play again, show final score, and I override those methods in another file by implementing that game interface and using one random class to giving random numbers, and in main file I create one object for this number guessing game using game interface by one reference variable, and then I give game start. Like I first I have to run this. Let me show the demo first. To run to compile the Java program, we use JavaScript command with then file name. It's compiled. After compilation, it generates dot class files. That is, it converts high level language to machine level language. Then I have to run this code using Java command. It asking first it's showing welcome to the number guessing name message. Then it shows round 1, gives a number between 1 and 100. Attempt 1. We have maximum, I give 7 attempts. Within 7 attempts, we have to guess the right number. Okay, let's start. I gave 40. It's showing too low. Okay, then I am guessing like 80. It shows too high. So I'm guessing in between like 60. It's showing too high. Okay, again I'm guessing in between 40 and 60. Um, okay, 50. Again it's showing too high. Okay, I think the number is between 40 and 50. Okay, I'm guessing it's 47. It's still too high. Okay, 45. Too high. Okay, now I have the last attempt. I'm guessing it like 42. Correct. Yes, I got it. I guessed it in 7 attempts. Okay. After that, it's showing like, do you want to play another round? If we want to play another round, like give yes, otherwise no, I don't want. Okay, give no. Then it shows game over message. It shows total how many rounds we played. Like I played only one round, so it counts the one, and final score is 10. Like this, I programmed this task, and yeah, that's all. Bye.